Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In this video, I'm gonna show you on how to fix TikTok photo swipe if it is not working. So let's get started. First things first, open your TikTok app. Now, click this plus sign icon to post, then click this album icon. This time, select a photo that we want to upload. Then after selecting, tap next. So as you see guys, we can simply swipe the photo. So if the case that it is not working, so you can just simply go to your profile, click setting and privacy, scroll down, then tap a free up space. Now click this clear in cache. And then once done, you can also clear this download as well. All right. So that's how to fix TikTok photo swipe not working. So if you found this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more videos. Bye!